Contour gauges are indispensable tools for anyone who needs to replicate intricate shapes and curves with precision. If you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, having a reliable contour gauge can significantly improve the accuracy of your projects, from woodworking and tiling to automotive work. In this video, we'll review some of the best contour gauges on the market, highlighting their key features and benefits. These tools are designed to help you tackle any task that requires precise shape duplication, ensuring that your projects turn out perfectly every time. Number 1. Feeke Contour Gauge. The Feeke Contour Gauge is designed for precise shape duplication, making it an essential tool for anyone working with irregular shapes. With adjustable tightness and a locking feature, it ensures that your measurements remain accurate and steady. Made from high-quality ABS plastic, this durable and portable tool is perfect for a wide range of applications, from carpentry to auto body work. Key features: ideal for fitting tiles, laminates, and more. Ensures accurate and steady measurements. Made from high-strength, rust-proof ABS plastic. Suitable for woodworking, auto body work, and more. Number 2. Jorest Contour Gauge. The Jorest Contour Gauge offers versatile sizing, with the ability to splice together 5-inch and 10-inch tools, giving you 3 options for measuring contours of different sizes. With a well-designed double-sided scale in both inches and centimeters, and a blade thickness of only 0.05 inches, this gauge provides accurate measurements for a variety of applications. It's perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Key features: 5-inch, 10-inch, and 15-inch options for versatile use. Thin blades and adjustable spacing ensure precision. Easy to read measurements in inches and centimeters. Suitable for woodworking, carpentry, and home improvement. Number 3. Feeke Contour Gauge. The Feeke Contour Gauge is built for precision and durability, featuring a dual-sided scale for accurate readings in both inches and centimeters. Its adjustable and locking feature ensures that your measurements stay secure, making it ideal for a variety of tasks. With a wider and upgraded design, this contour gauge is perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts looking for reliable and accurate shape duplication. Key features: provides accurate readings in inches and centimeters. Securely holds shapes for precise tracing. 50% wider with upgraded pins for better accuracy. Suitable for tiling, carpentry, and home improvement projects. Number 4. Zozen Contour Gauge. The Zozen Contour Gauge is designed for precise and secure shape duplication, featuring a locking mechanism that prevents accidental shifts during use. With high precision and a durable ABS plastic construction, this gauge is perfect for accurately copying and transferring the shape of irregular items. It's ideal for various applications, including tiling, flooring, and woodworking. Key features: keeps shapes secure for accurate tracing. Single needle down to 0.05 inches for detailed measurements. Made from sturdy, rust-proof ABS plastic. Suitable for measuring and copying irregular shapes. Number 5. VARSK VA, or 350 Contour Gauge. The VARSK VA, or 350 Contour Gauge, is a top choice for DIY enthusiasts and professionals, offering precise shape duplication with its upgraded metal locking mechanism. This lightweight and durable tool is designed for long-term use, with adjustable tightness and dual-sided scales for accurate measurements. If you're working on woodworking, tiling, or other home projects, this contour gauge makes it easy to duplicate and transfer shapes with precision. Key features: ensures durability and accurate shape retention. Weighs only 1 pound, easy to handle and use. Customize pin tightness for consistent performance. Inch and centimeter scales for easy measurement and recording. Number 6. Lenski Contour Gauge. The Lenski Contour Gauge is a versatile tool designed for precision and durability, perfect for any DIY project. With a metal locking mechanism and 3 size options, it allows you to accurately duplicate any irregular shape, from small corners to larger objects. Made from high-strength ABS plastic, this gauge ensures that your original surface remains undamaged while providing accurate measurements in both inches and centimeters. Key features includes 5-inch, 10-inch, and 15-inch gauges for various projects. Durable and reliable for long-term use. Features both inch and centimeter measurements. Protects the original surface from scratches or damage. Thanks for exploring the best contour gauges on the market with us. I hope this guide has helped you find the perfect tool to meet your project needs. If you found this review helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and tips on the best tools and equipment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when new content is posted. Happy crafting!